Okay, this is my baby after I put the flush mount turn signals on it, and I put the European turn signals in the front as well. So the two lights in the front are turn signals. So, and man, it's just like crazy the difference. It looks so much cleaner like that. The lines are like ridiculous. So, got flush mounts there, and flush mounts there. So coming all the way around to the back. And I'll let you guys check out what I'm talking about. Okay, so anything from the back again. Oh, and I put a relay in there, so that's why it's blinking slower like it's supposed to. And to the side. And also on the front. So they basically call those like European turn signals. So, okay. Let's hit it from the other side. And right there from the front and the back. Okay. Go all the way around to the back again. Okay. And then we're going to fire it up. People that like to hear it. I just got off it, so it should be nice and straight. Alright, and that's it. So it's clean. You guys let me know what you think. Alright then. Wait.